In this video, we are going to discuss the microscopic anatomy of the pancreas, the histology of the pancreas. In the previous video on gross anatomy, I told you that the pancreas has two main functions, endocrine and exocrine. Let's start with the exocrine pancreas. This covers more than 90% of the pancreas. It produces the digestive enzymes that are secreted into the gastrointestinal tract. The exocrine part is actually composed of serous glandular tissue that is separated into lobules by collagenous septae. The pancreatic acini. These are units of secretory acinar cells surrounding a lumen, and they secrete proenzymes, for example, trypsinogen and chymotrypsinogen, into the intercalated ducts. And these intercalated ducts will eventually merge to form the pancreatic duct, which carries the enzymes out of the pancreas and empty into the duodenum. The central acinar cells. These are pale cells in the center of the acini which secrete bicarbonate ions into the pancreatic fluid. The electron micrographs of acinar cells will show basophilic rough endoplasmic reticulum at the basal pole and eosinophilic proenzyme granules at the apical pole. This is the microscopic structure of the exocrine pancreas, right? So here you can see the lumen. These are acinar cells actually, and this is a duct. Histologically, the exocrine pancreas closely resembles the salivary glands. However, unlike the salivary glands, the pancreatic exocrine glands lack myoepithelial cells in the acini and do not possess striated ducts. Additionally, the central acinar cells are unique to pancreas, only pancreas, right, for secreting what? Those bicarbonate ions. Let's talk about the endocrine pancreas. This part produces different hormones that are primarily involved in regulation of blood glucose levels. It is composed of islets of Langerhans embedded within the exocrine pancreas. The islet cell types are dispersed throughout the pancreas, as you can see here, right? If you zoom on one pancreatic islet, right, so you see cells around this acini. These are called alpha cells, and they secrete glucagon, right? So inside, in the middle, you see those green ones are beta cells. They secrete insulin. Next are the delta cells. The delta cells secrete somatostatin, and the PP cells secrete pancreatic polypeptide, and the epsilon cells secrete ghrelin. If you look here, you see the electron micrograph of the pancreatic tissue, and around here you can see the islets of Langerhans. To conclude this video, we'll talk about the pancreatic ducts again. As you can see here, the smaller ducts have cuboidal epithelium, and the larger interlobular ducts have columnar epithelium. Right, the next point is very important. Most pancreatic malignancies are adenocarcinomas that originate in the ductal epithelium. Right, so stay tuned, guys. This is going to be a long journey.